What if the answers you've been searching for, the direction, the clarity, the breakthrough, have been inside you this entire time, and all it takes is silence to hear them? In the stillness of your mind lies a wisdom more ancient than time. You don't need another book, another podcast, another guru. You need you. And this is your awakening. Close your eyes, breathe in deeply, exhale slowly, feel the world soften. Because now you're entering a different realm, not outside, but deep within. Science confirms it. Meditation activates the default mode network of the brain, the same part linked to self-awareness, introspection, and creative problem-solving. In this space, neurons reconnect, and your mind starts to remember who you really are. A study by Harvard showed that just 8 weeks of mindfulness meditation leads to increased gray matter in the hippocampus, the region responsible for memory and insight. Translation? You're literally rewiring your brain to access higher intelligence. Now, place your attention gently on your heart. Feel it. It's beating for you, not against you. This is your inner compass. It doesn't shout, it whispers. It doesn't demand, it guides. Millionaire and entrepreneur Naval Ravikant once said, "A calm mind, a fit body, and a house full of love. These things cannot be bought. They must be earned." And how do you earn calm? By turning down the noise of the world and turning up the volume of your soul. When you meditate, deeply, consistently, you begin to make decisions not from fear, but from clarity. And that changes everything. Keep breathing. Inhale peace. Exhale resistance. Now imagine a light, golden, warm, knowing, rising from your chest, filling your body, and illuminating your mind. In this light lives your intuition, your inner wisdom, the part of you that always knew, long before your mind could explain it. A 2022 study published in Frontiers in Psychology found that intuition is not just a gut feeling. It's the brain's ability to detect patterns faster than conscious reasoning. So what you feel, that deep knowing, it's real, it's intelligent, and it's time you trust it. Your life isn't meant to be figured out in one go. It unfolds in layers, and the answers you've been chasing, they don't come through thinking harder. They come when you let go. Overthinking is the enemy of inner wisdom. It clouds, it clutters, it confuses. But meditation, it unblocks, it unveils, it unlocks. Steve Jobs, yes, the Apple visionary, practiced daily meditation. He once shared, "If you just sit and observe, you will see how restless your mind is. But when it settles, the intuition becomes obvious." Imagine living your life from that place, where choices feel effortless because they're aligned, where success comes not from hustle, but from FLOW. You don't need to become anyone. You only need to return to who you already are. Your higher self isn't a version you unlock with effort. It's who you are when you strip away fear, self-doubt, and noise. This meditation is your portal. Not to escape life, but to master it. You begin to operate from intention, from presence, from wisdom, and that's where miracles happen. Not by chance, but by alignment. Feel your breath, feel your being. You're no longer searching for answers. You're becoming the person who knows. This is not the end. This is your rebirth. Let this silence become your superpower. Let this wisdom shape your reality. Let this stillness guide you through chaos. Because the deeper you go within, the further you'll go in life. If this meditation awakened something inside you, don't keep it to yourself. Share this. Save this. Repeat this. And remember, the greatest wisdom is not out there. It's in you.